Mastering Office Lingo. Schedule a meeting, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you'll encounter in the professional world: schedule a meeting. Whether you're working in an English-speaking environment or collaborating with international teams, understanding how to use this phrase correctly is key to effective communication. Let's break it down together. Schedule a meeting is a phrase used to arrange a time and place where people will come together to discuss something important. It's a formal request or action that involves planning ahead. This phrase is crucial in business settings, educational contexts, and any situation where collaboration is needed. When you schedule a meeting, you're doing more than just setting a time to chat. You're organizing an event that requires the participants' attention and preparation. This might involve choosing a suitable time, selecting a location or digital platform for virtual meetings, and preparing an agenda to ensure the meeting is productive. Using schedule a meeting in a sentence is straightforward, but there are some nuances to be aware of. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Requesting a meeting. Could we schedule a meeting to discuss the project updates? This shows you're asking for a meeting rather than stating it will happen. Offering to organize a meeting. I'll schedule a meeting for us to review the budget. In this case, you're taking the initiative to arrange the meeting. Suggesting times. When is a good time to schedule a meeting? This opens up the conversation for others to provide their availability. It's also polite to consider the schedules of others when proposing a meeting, which shows respect for their time and increases the chances of the meeting being productive. In today's digital age, numerous tools can help you schedule meetings efficiently. Platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook, and Zoom offer features where you can propose multiple times, invite participants, and even attach agendas or important documents. Best practices include clear communication. Be precise about the meeting's purpose and what you expect from the participants. Flexibility. Offer multiple time options or use scheduling tools that allow participants to vote on their preferred times. Preparation. Send out an agenda before the meeting so participants can prepare in advance. We hope this video has shed light on how to effectively schedule a meeting and why it's such an important skill in professional settings. Remember, the key to successful meetings lies in clear communication, respect for others' time, and good preparation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating the English language. See you in the next video.